first thing we're gonna attempt is to make a volcano explode out of a pumpkin. I have no idea if this is gonna work or not, so let's do it together and see. All you need is baking soda, a couple tablespoons, some food coloring, dish soap, and then warm water. And we'll put that all in the pumpkin and see what happens. Okay, so right now we just have warm water in the pumpkin, and he's gonna put a couple of scoops of baking soda in there.
That was one.
Okay.
2, 3, and 4. Did it.
Now we're gonna put a couple of drops of the dish soap in there.
I want to do it.
Just a couple of small drops, please.
Okay.
The last thing we need is a couple of drops of food coloring.
Can I do it a food color?
What color do you want?
I want green.
Okay. And we want to take it outside because the next part is going to be very messy. Okay, the final part of this is we're going to put in a half cup of vinegar and see what something happens. Oh my gosh, look at that! That's so cool! It's oozing out of his eyes.